HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Kids, today we're going to learn how to draw and paint a bicycle, my favourite. Starting with the pedal, we're going to draw the outline using a black pen. Some lines and circles going on here. Spokes, the wheel shield, a bit more of the bicycle frame. There you go. Then we're going to do the back part of the bike and the seat. And then framing it to the front. Excellent, a square and a rectangle and our handlebars. Do you ride a bike? Me too. Let's put a basket on it. Then we can put our toys in it. And our front wheel, just like the back one. Double circle, a shield, and some lines in the middle. There, it's ready to paint. Let's start with yellow for every other triangle inside the wheels. Ooh, lovely. I like it. What do you think? Purple next. We're going to alternate yellow and purple because we think it looks fantastic. But you can choose your favourite colours. What's your favourite colour? Mine's purple. Now green for the bicycle tyres. First the back one. There. Now the front one. Next we're going to use pink for the wheel shield. Ooh, very nice. And the seat. And some turquoise. This is one of my favourite colours too. Doesn't it look brilliant? Our basket can be turquoise too. And red for some details. Pedal and some silver. Little bits here and there. And for our main frame we're going to use gorgeous gold. And some brown. And some peach. Last but not least, let's go back to our yellow to finish off our bicycle frame. Green to finalise the back and the front. And there you have it. The best bicycle in the whole wide world. Come on, let's go for a ride. Hi and welcome to a step-by-step guide of how to draw and paint a rickshaw. Fantastic. Start by bordering the wheels and finishing off the rest of the wheel and then doing the back part of your rickshaw, the frame and the body. Little bit of detail here and there. Couple of lights on the back. Curve over the roof. Slant the front, making a window. And the light. The front frame. The front wheel. And the doorway. Inside detail a little bit. So we've got our seats and our pole going down the middle. Open door so you can see right in. And then just framing our door. Brilliant. Back seat looking nice and cosy there. Final frame, decorating a pattern on our roof. And there you have it, ready to paint. Let's start with yellow. Painting the main part of the rickshaw's body. What a gorgeous bright colour. Painting very carefully around all the detail because we don't want to paint those by accident. Front part too. And the light. Now for some green. Look at that vibrant green. What a fantastically bright colour. See how it offsets the yellow? A little bit of the roof green too. A sparkly greyish black for the wheels. There. Now for some red to frame our window. And the wheel frames. That's the front one and the back one. And some gorgeous bright pink. Painting a bit of the roof, the inside of the wheels and the floor for the inside of our auto rickshaw. There, fantabulous. Now for some turquoise for our window. Multicoloured stripy roof. Gorgeous peach for some inner frame. Purple next. You can experiment with any colours you like. You can even do any pattern you like. Painting in our detail and then going for the gold, finalising with our final roof stripe. And some little details here and there. Now brown. We're going to use brown to paint in our inside bits of the chair and our handbrake at the front, and then silver to do the middle pole and the leg of the chair and the little detail on the handbrake, and then finally royal blue to complete our seating. And there you have it, an absolutely gorgeous sparkly rickshaw. And here it comes. Beep beep. Want a ride? Come on then, hop in to our beautiful rainbow rickshaw. Woohoo! Hey kids, today we're going to show you how to draw a plane. As usual, we're going to draw the outline first. Put in the pilot's window and start colouring in. We're going to colour it in bright pink first. Ooh, I love a bit of pink. Around the window, stay in between the lines. You know, when you're colouring something in, it's always best to start with the borders first because that's the tricky part. Then you can just fill in the rest, which is much easier. There, the hard bit's done now. We've just got to colour in the rest. A little bit at a time. Left, right, left, right, left, right. That's it, you're doing it. Hey, do you like planes? Have you ever flown anywhere? Me too. I've flown all over the world. It's amazing, isn't it? Just like a bird, defying gravity. What's your favourite plane? Do you like those big ones, Boeing 747s? Or do you like the little ones like our lovely pink plane here? Me too. Keep going, you're almost there. This is fun, isn't it? I love colouring in. Ooh, perfect. Yeah, we're done. Time to decorate. Few details here and there, like the wings. 2 main ones on the side and 2 on the tail. Bright yellow wing. That stands out fantastically against the pink, doesn't it? Beautiful. Don't you think it's great? Just like bird feathers. Lovely. All of them the same colour. Right, time for a bit of detail. Let's put some windows on, shall we? We must let passengers see the view. I think we're going to draw 3 square windows using our bright yellow colouring pen. There. And a nice pale cornflower blue for our front window. The beautiful colour of glass. And almost there. Side to side. And done! Brilliant! Let's put a bit of glass on our other windows. And how about a smiley face? Drawing eyebrows and some circle eyes. Let's draw our window frame borders. That black really makes the bright colours stand out, doesn't it? And there you have it. Back to the face. A nice bit of reflection in the eyes there with a white pen. Reflection in the windows too. And what's next? I think a mouth using a brown pen. It's a very happy plane with pink rosy cheeks. And don't forget the tongue. Plain-tastic.